Hello everyone, welcome or welcome back to the channel. In today's video is part 3 of my Christmas decorate with me. We are decorating the living room, getting it prepped for the holiday season. This is going to be a neutral holiday decor, and the first living room update will be changing the curtains, and this completely transformed this room. I'm so excited to finally add custom drapes to my home from the brand 2 Pages, and when 2 Pages reached out to me, I was ecstatic. This company specializes in high quality custom curtains that will enhance our living spaces, creating an atmosphere of elegance and comfort. I received free swatches so I can choose a correct color, style, and textile. Also, it comes with these hooks that are adjustable. I chose the Jawara collection in this gorgeous ivory beige. These are triple pleat with memory shape and unlined. I'm using, as you can see, for my living room, so I don't really need a blackout, but they also have the blackout option. Now I will be using curtain rings instead of the hooks. I just love how it looks with them. That's just personal preference. These were really easy and quick to install and instantly elevated the look of this room. Remember to install your curtain rods as high as possible to create the illusion of higher ceilings. 2 Pages offers drapery, cordless shades, rods, curtains, and hardware tailored to our needs. They have a variety of textiles and colors to choose from, and ordering these drapes was a breeze using their measuring instructions, ensuring our ordered products will fit perfectly in our space. Now that my drapes are up, I'm just going to steam them a little bit to remove those lines from the packaging. Look at this room now. It looks so high-end, grand, and brighter. The perfect start to decorate for a new season. If you would like to order yours, I will leave all the details down below with a 50% off coupon code towards your purchase. Take advantage of this offer and get your space ready for the holidays. Thank you to my friends at 2 Pages for sending me these high-quality custom curtains. Moving on to this corner of the room, I remove my swivel chair and the end table because we are adding something else to this space, and we are changing the rug.
Nothing wrong with cheers and carols. Oh, nothing wrong with sleigh bells in the snow. But I'll be home for you.
This rug is from the company Mark & Day. I'm collaborating with them over on Instagram. I was on the hunt for a bigger rug for the living room. This is the Canoe Modern Beige Area Rug in the size 9x12. In love with the subtle pattern. This is a low pile rug and love how it complements so well the sofa and our new curtains.
Let's not wait another year. Make me wish you were here. I'll be home for you.
A product that I always use in my rugs is Scotch Guard. This will create like a shield and will block stains, making it easier to clean it. Let's remove our remaining fall decor to get the mantle ready for some holiday cheers. Next is getting a frame TV artwork from YouTube. If you don't have the Samsung TV frame, you can always search for frame artwork for free to give the illusion that we have a beautiful artwork on top of the fireplace. Next is to add this gorgeous 40-inch pedestal to this side of the room. And if you remember my Christmas planning, I shared this gorgeous boucle chairs in this olive green color. This will complement so well my living room, especially that we are using this color for the holidays this year. For our mantle decor, I'll add the stocking holders that I purchased a few years ago at HomeGoods. This year, they have so many options and at an affordable price. Love that they have the base in marble for less than $20. And now we're going to use our Real Touch Norfolk Garland that I purchased at Kirtland's. And for this mantle, I'm just going to use 3 on the Norfolk Pine Garland. I just started adding it from the stocking holders, draping it all down to the other side, getting the second one and overlapping the first one, just covering those branches. I secure my garland with command hooks, and I'm using these metal twines to attach one another. Remember, if you're adding more picks, it will be a little bit heavier. So I recommend you to use heavy duty command hooks. To give this mantle more dimension and texture, I'm adding this eucalyptus garland from Walmart for less than $10. As always, I will leave all links in the description box down below. Can't wait to share my Christmas haul with all of you. If this is your first time here, hi and welcome. My name is Cindy. On this channel, I share home decor, DIYs, room makeovers, shop with me, a little bit of cook with me. If you like this type of content, I would love it if you hit the subscribe button and become part of this community. These knitted stockings are from Ross, and then I'm adding these wooden garlands from Walmart. This honeycomb trees comes in a set of 3 from Walmart for less than $10. It's another great find for this Christmas. They have 3 colors, this ivory one, a green one, and a red one. Now for our coffee table styling, I'm adding this fiberglass cement look bowl, and we are going to display some of our Robert Stanley ornaments from Hobby Lobby. placing Architectural Digest and the Art of Home book, and I am going to add this new addition to my collection from Hobby Lobby. This is a new taper candle holder for $13.99 regular price. I just love the brass and the wavy design, so unique. These flock trees are from the dollar spot at Target, and I'll use the smallest bell from my set of 3. These are from Amazon. Last but not least, a season scented candle. This knitted throw blanket is from Threshold at Target, and all the pillow covers used are from Amazon and at an affordable price. This is a budget-friendly way to bring some texture in those color palettes for the holidays. For the pedestal, I'm adding this DIY vase that we painted for our fall decor, and I'm just adding these 3 cedar stems that I purchased last year at the at-home stores. They're back in stock this year for $7.99. I added my floor lamp to this side of the sofa until we are ready to put up the Christmas tree that is going to go on this corner. Let's just turn on our lighting for that perfect ambiance. I hope you have found this video helpful. If you did, please give me a thumbs up and consider subscribing before you go. This is a neutral, budget-friendly holiday decor. Can't wait to share when we add the Christmas tree and add the pop of color to this room. Stay tuned for that video. Don't forget to follow me on Instagram. You can find me at Inspiration by CP. God bless you, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye.